Okay guys, here is a place that oh, is that short cycling over there? Anyway, here's a place that I filmed at before. Here's this EVCON. I didn't get the data on this. 2018 3-ton. Here's a Carrier 38 CKC that's running. It's barely working. I can barely make that out. I think it's from 2002. I think it's a 2.5 ton. Here's a couple of Train XRs. Most of these have not been running. This one has a Train scroll compressor. This one's from 2021. That's a 3.5 ton. Yeah, all these are off. 2021. That's a 3 ton. There's a bigger one. It's older. XR13. 2007. That's a 4 ton. Another Train XR. Gentech fan motor. 2022. That's a 3 ton. Here are these two dual zone Train XB10s, or yeah, they're 10s. 2004. I think a 2.5. Oh, just started up. The other one, 2004, it's a 3 ton. There's an Odyssey that's running. I don't think there's anyone here. They just leave the units on because it's hot. Oh yeah, these are on. I'm not sure. I'm not going to get that to the year. Another Carrier 38 CKC. And a couple more Trains and another Carrier 38 CKC. I don't really want to get near that. Oh, no data. Okay. And yeah, a couple of Train XRs. And this XB's on. A 2020, 2.5 ton. I don't think I'm going to get back to the data on those two. So on to the next place. Just gonna check if this XB13 is working. Yep, it is. Alright. This Train started up. Lion scroll compressor. Here's a really... Oh, the panel's off. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think this thing might get replaced. 2011, that's a 4 ton. There's a bigger, smaller but fatter one. It's been running? No. 2011, 3 ton. And a few more. Alright guys, so there's a new unit here. I remember that 5 ton XB, well, it got replaced with this new Platinum series. Wonder what year. Jeez, that logo's huge. What? Oh, this got replaced with the used Platinum series unit. 2013, that's a 5 ton. 2009, 2.5 ton. Oh, that's running without the compressor, I think. Not good. So, they're both on. Not running without the compressor. No, it has a compressor leak. Got a ream. Not gonna get the data on those. Oh, that's open. I'm not going over there, so. That is strange. It's got replaced with a used platinum series. That is pretty interesting. Here are these two really slanted XB13s. 2009 410. And we got these 4 carriers. Oh, look, they're both running and one doesn't sound too good. These are carrier base models. 2009 4-ton. Not gonna get the data on that one. And these are both on. This one still has the bad run cap. Well, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.